Hello students, today we learn about again different type of things. Lesson number 2, living and non-living things. Our today's topic is natural and man-made things. Today first we learn about natural things. But before that we revise our chapter, that what we learned yesterday. Let's check. We learned about different things yesterday. First is living things. In living things, we learn about things which can breathe, eat food, drink water, move, feel, grow, and reproduce are living things like people, plants, animals, birds. They all are living things. We also learn about need of living things, that living things need air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat. Then we learn about non-living things, things that cannot breathe, cannot move, cannot eat, cannot drink water, cannot grow, and cannot reproduce are non-living things like ball, cars, buildings, and many other things like bag, chair, table, house. All are non-living things because they cannot move, they cannot eat, they cannot reproduce. Today we learn about natural things. First, what are natural things? We also know that living things are natural. All living things are natural. What is natural thing? Things that not made by man are called natural things. Man cannot made natural things. Some natural things are living and some natural things are non-living. We already learned yesterday natural things which are living. In these things, we learn about people, birds, animals, fish, and plants. These all are living things and natural things. Some natural things are non-living and some natural things are living. Now let's see natural things which are non-living. Mountains. Mountains are natural things, but They all are non-living because mountains can't move from one place to another place. Mountains can't grow, mountains can't eat, mountains can't drink. So, natural things are can be living or non-living. Water. Water is important thing for living ones. Water is also non-living things but it not made by man. So water is a natural things. We can't make water. Man can't make water. Air is a very important thing for human beings, birds and animals. But air is also non-living thing and that's why air is natural thing. Sun. Sun is natural things because we can't make sun. Sun also not move, also not eat and also not drink water. Moon. Moon is natural things because moon not made by man. Stars. Every night we can see stars in sky. Stars are also natural things because stars not grow. They not change their places. Rain is also natural things because we can't make rain. Now our next topic is what are man-made things? Things that made by man are called man-made things. Things that made by man are called man-made things. In these things, you can include so many things because so many things are made by men like books, pens, chairs, tables, many things we include in man-made things. Pen. We all use pen to write. These pen are made by men. So pen is man-made things. We can use it, but it not natural. Bags we use to put things. It is also made by man. So many things which are made by men we use in everyday life like bag, compass box, books, pens, vehicles, benches, blackboard, these all are made by man. Man made things for his use. Aeroplane fly in sky, but aeroplane need petrol to fly. When you can see the birds are flying in sky, they don't need petrol to fly. So some things can move one place to another place, but they are non-living, because if you not start plane, or if you not fill petrol in plane, then you cannot move plane one place to another place. So, when you see things which are moved one place to another, so not all things are living. Some are non-living because they need to start by man, then they can move one place to another. You can see in this picture all type of vehicles: bus, car, aeroplane and sailboat. Bus and car need petrol to move, and aeroplane need white petrol to move. If you not fill petrol in these vehicles, then these vehicles can't move. Sailboat move by air. So without sailboat, we can't go in ocean. Sailboat need air to move in ocean. So many other vehicles like scooter, like steamboats, like submarines, like trucks, all need petrol or diesel to move one place to another place. One more vehicle, that's a bicycle. If you want to move your bicycle, you don't need petrol. It's moved by you. So bicycle is also man-made things. If you not start bus or truck or car or aeroplane, they can't move. So not every moving things are living things. House. We all know that we need house to live in. But this house made by us, not made naturally. So we build a house with bricks and cements and wood and sand and so many things. We binding all these things and make our house. So these things which are made by men are called man-made things. So many other things you can add in this. Your toys. Your toys are made by men. We all know that balls and toys and teddy bears, games, all are made in factories. So we cannot made naturally it. These all are man-made things. Your all toys are man-made things. TV. Every day you watch TV. Now you watch TV. TV is also made by men. If you not start TV, then you can't watch it. When you play in sand, sand is a natural thing because man can't made sand. Mobile phones. Most addictive thing of man. This is a mobile phone which made by men. And we all know that every day many mobiles launched by men. So we all know that mobiles are made by men. Machines. It's a picture of machines. Our house we use so many machines like washing machine, dishwasher, stove, TV, fridge, AC, all are machines. These all are made by men. So, all machines are man-made things. In this, you can add oven, microwaves, TV, computer, your toy car, bumping cars, all are man-made things. Men make machines for their use. In car, we use machine. Some man-made things are made from natural things which once alive. Most of the man-made things are made from natural things. Like we use wood in so many things. So wood is we get from tree and tree is a living thing. So wood is once alive. Paper and pencil. Paper are made from tree. Tree is living things. So before we cut tree, trees are alive. We cut trees and make paper from tree. Pencil. Pencil is also made from tree because again we get wood from tree. The lead of the pencil is we get from graphite. Graphite is also natural material. So pencil is man-made thing, but it made from natural thing, which once alive. Table and chair. Table and chair are made of wood. Again, we get wood from tree. One more thing we add in this is coal. Coal we use for burning fire. Coal is a natural thing, but it's a non-living thing. Coal also made from wood. Let's revise. What are natural material? Natural materials are materials that come from plants, animals, and rocks. As we know that plants give us so many things. Plants give us food like fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, oil. All these things we get from plants. Animals give us leather, and rocks give us stone like graphite, silica. We also get mirror from rocks. We made mirror from rocks. So, natural things can be living or non-living. In living things, we add natural living things are plants, animals, birds, human beings. All are natural living things. When natural non-living things are mountains, sun, moon, clouds, stars, land, soil, air, water, all are natural things, but they all are non-living things. Things which we get from nature and non-living and not made by man. As we know that we can't make mountain, we can't make sun. All are natural things. We can draw clouds. We cannot make clouds in sky. We can draw water. We can use water, but we cannot make water. So, these all are natural things. Natural materials. These all are natural materials which we get from plant or animals or any other natural things like wood. In our house, every furniture and door most often made by wood. We use wood to make furniture also, to make pencils also. We use wood in cupboard also. Leather. We get leather from animals' skin. Again, shoes, bags, belts are non-living things. They all are man-made things. But they made from animals' skin, which once alive, natural thing. Oil used for fuel. We use oil in cooking also. So oil is a non-living thing, but we get it from natural things. Like we use oil in cooking, which we get from plant, from nuts. We use coconut oil, which we get from coconut tree. Some oil we use in fuel. So this oil we get from soil. So oil is a non-living thing, but we get it naturally. Coal. Coal is also used for fuel. Cotton. We wear cotton clothes during summer. So we grow cotton plant and make our cloth from cotton. Cotton cloth is non-living thing, is man-made thing, but cotton plant is natural things and also once alive. Cotton plant is living things till we cannot cut it. Silk is taken from the cocoons of moths and used to make thin cloth. We get silkworm from one insect, from one caterpillar. So, silk is natural material, but we get it from living thing. Iron to make strong buildings and structures. We start build house with iron. So iron is also natural material. Now, man-made material. We can use many natural material and by working with them change them into man-made substances. We can use many natural materials and by working with them change them into man-made substances. Oil, a natural material being changed into plastic. When plastic is a man-made material, we use plastic in making toys. Sand is natural material. When sand heated, it changes into the glass. The silicon chip inside this computer is made from sand. In our computer, so many chips, and all these chips are made from sand. So, sand is again natural material, and chip of computer is man-made material. Wood being made into paper, which man-made material. Oil is also natural material when nylon is man-made material. We wear different clothes and all clothes are man-made, but we get all material from natural things. So today we learn about natural things and man-made things. Natural things are non-living or can be living. Things which are not made by man are called natural things like mountains, rivers, air, water, and other things. Things that made by man and all man-made things are non-living like book, chair, table, pencils, computers, mobiles, all are man-made things. Some man-made things are made from natural materials. Like we use wood in making chair, table, furnitures. All are man-made things, but it made of wood and wood is natural material. So, in lesson number 2, we learn about different things. We learn 4 types of things: living things, non-living things, natural things, and man-made things. Living things are things which need air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat. They can move, they can grow, they can reproduce. These all things are living. When things cannot move, cannot eat, cannot drink, cannot reproduce are non-living things. Things that made by man are called man-made things. All man-made things are non-living things. Things then that not made by man are natural things. Natural things can be living or non-living. Living natural things are human beings, animals, birds, plants. Natural non-living things are mountains, rivers, air, water, all are natural non-living things.